Ever wondered why your solar batteries retire early like overworked government officials? Sometimes it's not your wiring or inverter, it's what's happening inside the battery. Things like local action, sulphation, buckled plates, and internal short circuits are the silent killers of solar batteries. Stick around and let's open the lid on these hidden defects. Let's start with local action. No, it's not a political campaign. It's when impurities in the lead plates create tiny internal cells, making the battery discharge itself even while sitting idle. Think of it as your battery secretly spending its savings when no one's watching. Manufacturers fight this by using pure lead, but impurities still sneak in sometimes. Next up, the internal short circuit, the battery's version of a heart attack. When the positive and negative plates touch due to a damaged separator or too much sediment, current rushes inside uncontrollably. Result? Heat, voltage drop, and sometimes a dramatic puff of failure. Always keep your batteries upright and well-maintained to prevent this. Ever seen a bodybuilder flex too hard and tear a muscle? That's buckling of plates, caused by constant expansion and contraction during charging and discharging. Over time, the plates warp, touch, and short. High current loads and deep discharges are the gym weights your plates can't handle. Then comes shedding of active material, where the important paste on the plates starts to crumble off. It's like your battery developing dandruff, except this dandruff sinks and shorts the cell. Too much vibration, rough charging, or poor manufacturing can cause this slow death. Now meet sulphation, the most famous troublemaker. When a battery is left undercharged, lead sulfate crystals form and harden on the plates. Those crystals are like cement. They block proper charging. Your battery ends up weak, lazy, and unreliable. The cure? Keep it regularly charged and use the right charging voltage. Next is drying of electrolyte, caused by overcharging or high temperatures. When the water in the electrolyte evaporates, the plates are left gasping for liquid. Once exposed to air, oxidation kicks in and performance nosedives. Remember, distilled water is your battery's lifeline, not tap water. A cracked container may look harmless, but it's an acid bomb waiting to leak. Whether caused by vibration or mishandling, it leads to electrolyte loss and corroded terminals. Always place your battery on a stable, flat surface and handle it like it's full of secrets. Because it is. Finally, terminal corrosion. The slow, sneaky villain. Acid fumes corrode the metal, creating resistance. Your inverter starts complaining, and voltage drops for no reason. Clean the terminals and apply a little petroleum jelly. Your battery will thank you. And there you have it. The secret life of your solar battery. From local action to sulphation, these defects quietly drain performance and money. But now you know how to spot and prevent them. For more smart solar and electrical tips, subscribe to CCIJ-TECH and keep your energy clean, efficient, and alive.